We've been moored up in this lovely mooring spot for the last couple of days, and it's been lovely. Pat had his radio antenna up and did a little bit of radio, and I went for a lovely walk up to Anderton Boat lift and back. Well, actually I was out looking for a post box, needed to post something, so I did that and walked along to Anderton Boat lift and then came back, so that was really lovely. So we're off now round to Northwich. We need to get some shopping, so we're going to go and moor up near Northwich and go into town for some shops. So hope you'll join us, and we'll catch up with you later. Okay then.
Good morning, everybody. You have to put the microphone up. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our vlog. You join us on the River Weaver.
Yes.
And what a beautiful morning. Absolutely glorious.
It's not 9 o'clock yet.
Bit windy.
It's not 9 o'clock yet. It's the
No.
earliest we've been cruising for a long time.
It is.
So the sun's a bit in and out of the trees at the moment, so we might lose a little bit of light, but actually it's not a bad morning, is it?
No, not bad at all. Not a lot else I've got to say, really.
So we're going round to Northwich today, aren't we?
Yeah.
We need some shopping.
Yeah.
So we're
I need
gonna...
a shave.
Yeah, we thought we'd make an early start because the next, well, it's going to rain. Well, we're hoping we're going to get there before it rains, aren't we?
Yeah, hopefully.
And they forecast rain for the next 4 days or so.
Something like that.
So we thought we'd go round near the shops.
Yeah.
Because we need shopping anyway.
Yeah.
And go from there.
Yeah.
So it's all about planning, isn't it, this life?
It certainly is. And you're a great planner. I'm not.
No, you're not. You fly by
go-
the seat of your pants,
I
don't
just
you?
go along for the ride. I'm like the YouTube family.
YouTube family, what's that?
The YouTube family, our YouTube family,
Oh, right.
our YouTube members.
Right, yeah.
I'm like them, I just go along for the ride.
Yeah, you do.
Anyway, you're probably getting lots of wind noise on that microphone.
Bridge is a bit lower than we thought it was going to be. This bridge is a bit lower than we thought it was going to be. Oh, yeah, that's all right. We'll get under there. Just the yeah, just scrape the top. No, we wouldn't have got the cover under there though. We did consider cruising with the cover up. Yes, I'm glad we took the cover down.
Yeah, we might have got under there.
Actually we might have done, yeah. Tata Chemicals is one of Europe's leading producers of sodium bicarbonate, salt and sodium carbonate. They have this huge plant in Cheshire, and it was founded in 1874 and was a founder member of ICI.
What are these do?
There's the Anderton Boat lift, one of the 7 wonders of the canal system, and we'll be going up there once we've had the chance to explore the river. Nature's taken over that. Sunken boat. It's a bit blowy, isn't it?
Bit blowy. Bit windy, blowy. It's blowing my hair in the wind.
You haven't got your hat on. Where's your hat?
I don't know.
Oh, but it's still a nice cruise, isn't it?
It's blowing my wig all over the place.
Well, if you had a wig on, it would be blowing it off.
It would, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's my hair.
Yeah.
Not a lot of it, but it's mine.
Yeah. So we've just passed Anderton Boat Lift, or Anderton Shelter, as I keep keep calling it for some reason. And on our way to Northwich.
Alright.
But it's lovely so far, isn't it? I know it's a bit blowy and it's actually quite cool. But in the sunshine, it's lovely.
Yeah.
So we've pulled on to these pontoons. I think the town is just ahead, and we'll go up into town and get some shopping, I think, at some point, and explore the town, of course. Although we have been there from the Trent and Mersey side of the town.